We are hiring teachers for schools in and around Dubai. Good day everyone. Thank you so much for watching to this video. Primary English teachers and secondary English teachers I hire in this time. You can apply now at careers.sabis.net/UAE. Hurry up. Send your CV now to this. Careers.sabis.net/UAE.
Sis, dahan naman. Patutuyuin ko pa yung mga petals nito eh. Gagawin kong memorabilia sa scrapbook ko. Ngayon niya lang ako binigyan ng bulaklak ulit eh. And it really means a lot to me.
Once again, we are hiring teachers for schools in and around Dubai. Primary English teachers, secondary English
I know
teachers.
it's wrong.
Send your CV at careers.sabis.net/UAE.
Pero tignan mo naman yung nangyari. Tapos si Jade, siya pa nagsasorry sa akin ngayon.
Malay, wala ka naman palang ginagawang masama. Iharapin mo na lang ang kansa mo.
Sis, hindi ko pa siya kayang harapin eh.
You have to, Selene. You have to. Because you're a fighting girl. At saan ka ba naman nakakita ng sundalo na umatras sa gera? Sugod lang na sugod. For God's sakes, pwede ba tapusin na natin to?